class, this is Amanda. I'm here with my first video. This is a new thing for me because of coronavirus and COVID-19. We will be having our classes all online, and this first video is the simple past tense, and we're going to talk about regular verbs and spelling changes. So the simple past tense is used for actions and situations that began and ended in the past. Another way to say this is for a completed action. So it's very important, for example, when you're reading a book, to know past tense, because a book or a newspaper article is many times written in the past. Of course, we use it a lot also for speaking and writing. When you are using the past tense or reading the past tense, a lot of times you will see specific time expressions such as last week, yesterday, last month. And I have a couple examples to start us. I have Jill worked in a hospital last year. She helped a lot of people. Okay, so how do we form the past tense with regular verbs? It's actually pretty nice in the beginning. You just have to add ed to most regular verbs. Here's an example. So in this chart, we have the subjects on the left and the base verb work is on the right. So our subjects, we have I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. And then to make work past tense, we just had to add ed. So I worked, you worked, he worked, she worked, it worked, we worked, and they worked. Seems pretty easy, doesn't it? Unfortunately, there are lots of little changes with spellings. They're not difficult though. So the first one is if the verb ends in an E, you add D to it. For example, if you have a verb such as arrive and you want to make it past tense, it ends in an E, so you just have to add D. Arrive becomes arrived. Next example, smile. Smile ends in an E, so you just have to add a D. Smiled. In the blue row, we have the next spelling change. When you have a verb that is consonant plus Y, you change the Y to an I and add ed. For example, try, tried, carry, carried. And I will be making a video all about pronunciation. Next, in the green row, we have verbs that end in vowel plus Y. You add a D. Enjoy, you have O and then a Y. So you just add ed. Enjoy, enjoyed. Play is another example. You have an A and then a Y. So play, played. And my last main spelling rule is you have consonant plus vowel plus consonant at the end of the verb, or the verb is a consonant, vowel, consonant. What you have to do for the spelling change is you have to double the consonant and add ed. Stop, stopped. So we doubled the P and added ed. The reason is you have T is a consonant, O is a vowel, P is a consonant, so it becomes stopped, double the P. Rub, you have R-U-B, rubbed. So we had to double the B and add ED. If you're taking my class in person or online, we will practice these more in class. Okay, so we're going to practice together right now. So let's take a look at some regular verbs and the spelling changes. Start is easy. You just add ED. Start, started. He started a new job last week. Shop. Shop is a CVC or consonant, vowel, consonant. So you have to double the P. John shopped for a present for his mother. Study. Studied, you have to change the Y to an I because of this consonant D. So studied. Last night they studied for their English test. Tip, tipped, double the P. I tipped the server at the restaurant. And taste, tasted. Claire tasted the delicious soup. Okay, so I want you to try. We have the verb clap. I know we went over the spelling rules quickly, but you can go back in the video and check. Can you think of how we would change this to the past tense? You have to double the P and add ED. So it becomes clapped. They clapped their hands after the play. Good job if you got that. Cry. Cry, we have the R is a consonant and then a Y. So you have to change it to cried and it becomes IED. So the baby cried because she was sleepy. One more. Erase ends in an E. Erased. The teacher erased the blackboard after class. Okay, well, thank you so much for listening to this quick lesson. As I said, there will be more videos. Thanks so much.